London, that's why you weren't calling me back, 'cause the truth hurt more than that. I would still make plans with all of your friends' dinners, and I'd save you a plate like you're coming by late. Covering up the fact that you're gone, lied to myself instead of moving on. I could feel a chapter closing down the very moment I could say it out loud. Strength and pain to wash away the hurt, days and waiting longer than you want to. Think it's coming into focus how I can picture life without you now. Funny how we fell right in and out of love, but that's the story of us.